Hi, I'm Bill Ragan with Bill Ragan Roofing Company. Welcome to the roofing channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over one of the most important topics in roofing, and that's ladder safety. So let's get into it. So ladder placement is really important when you've got this large ladder. I don't like to put a ladder up against the front of the house. That's the first thing you see, and if I ding the gutter up, the last thing I want to do is ding a gutter on the front of the house. So I always go around to one side or the other, or even put it on in the back, in just a spot that's not an area where a customer is going to be looking up at the gutters, like for instance over the front door. That's a no-no for us, putting the ladder up on the front porch or by the front door. Always put it over on the side or around back. Take those few extra steps. That way, if you do make a little mistake and put a little ding or a little scratch on the gutter, it's not going to be right over the front door where everybody sees it. Once you got your ladder secure and you know that the bottom is secure and it's on a level spot, then you want to climb up the ladder and put a strap between, say, one of the gutter spikes and another one of the gutter spikes. That way, you don't have to worry about your ladder blowing over. And that right there is very nicely secured, where it's not going to move more than just a little bit one way or the other. So it's not going to blow over once you get off the ladder and up on the roof. It's tied off. And when you're coming up a ladder, you always want to have 3 points of contact. So that's 2 hands and 1 foot, or both feet in one hand as you're going up the ladder. So you always want to have 3 points of contact. Also, with the 3 rungs above the gutter line or the edge of the building, it makes it a lot easier to step off the ladder onto the roof, and then from the roof back onto the ladder. Now, I try not to step on the rung that's above the gutter. If your bottom of your ladder is secured properly, you don't have to worry about it that much. But you don't want to step on that rung, or don't get in the habit of stepping on the rung above the ladder, because it'll create a balancing misbalance, and it'll kick the bottom out of it. So I try to step below the rung below the gutter line. And now you know everything you need to know about ladder safety. I'm Bill Ragan with Bill Ragan Roofing Company. Thanks again for watching the roofing channel. Remember to like and subscribe so other homeowners like you can get the detailed information that they need to make an informed decision. We'll see you on the next one.